Alright, next we're going to do the indoor filter. You're going to push on these little clips right here, and they're like little levers. They go upwards. Here's a little close-up. Grab the side. Grab this pick and pull it off on both sides. Pretty dirty. It's got a Mitsubishi one in there. That's always nice. And it's extremely dirty too. When I was turning on the air conditioner or the heater, I was hearing a little ticking sound, so I'm going to blow it out with some pressurized air. It's a good idea to do that anyways, get all the dust and grime come out. This car, I did see a lot of it flying out too. You can see some in the video also. Alright, it says up on that side, and the airflow is going to be going down. Just going to re-clip this in place. And now I'm just going to re-clip these back into place too, and then we're all done. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Side.